Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Nursery to Varsity. It is an initiative to enlighten the global public with the various miscellaneous fields, and I am one of the members of Nursery to Varsity. Well, today in this tutorial series we will talk about AWS IAM group and roles. Well, in our last tutorial we have talked about the overview of components of IAM. If you haven't watched the previous video, then I would suggest to watch the previous video first. So now let's talk about group and see under which situation groups are used and why they are useful. Well, group is nothing but a combination of different users. So now to understand the group, let's consider an example first. Suppose I have three users who belong to the developing team, and the developing team has some common access that they all may have. One way of giving them access is by going to each and every user and attach a policy to each of them separately. But the another way is by grouping all these three users into one group and attach policy only once to this group, and it will apply to all these three users. So from this we have seen, instead of giving each user same policy one by one, we can make a group of all these three users and give policies only once. Hence, this is why groups are very important. So now let's talk about roles. Well, as users are assigned to people, similarly roles are assigned to applications. So now let's take an example to understand the concept of roles in a better way. For example, suppose I have created an EC2 instance, and inside this EC2 instance I am hosting a web application. This web application is designed in such a way that it can access S3 service. But we cannot give access of any service to applications directly. Here in this situation, roles have come into play. We can attach this S3 service to the role and attach this role to the EC2 instance. So now any application runs in this EC2 instance can automatically be able to access this S3 service. This is how roles are used, and this is. So now let's see the practical demonstration of how to create group and attach policy to it. So first, log into your AWS account. Here on the screen you can see the AWS Management Console. So from here just click on IAM. So you can see here I have already created 3 users for our practical demonstration. So if you don't know how to create a user, I would suggest you to please watch the previous video first. And you can see here there are no groups attached to it. So now to create a group, click on groups, and from here you can see I haven't created any group yet. So now click on create new group, give a group name, for example demo group, and click on next step. And here there are n number of policies that you can attach to the users or to the group. So now you can select any of the policies according to your need. So for our example, I am choosing administrator access, and now click on next step. Here just click on create group, and you can see the group is created. So now to add user to the group, click on this group name. From here click on add users to group and select the users that you want to attach to this group, and click on add users. So now here you can see all these 3 users are attached to the group, and the policy of administrator access is attached to all these 3 users. So this is how a group is created and policies are attached to it. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.